Greeting fellow modelers. Today we're going to be looking at a Japanese warbird. This is a precursor to your famous A5M4 and this is the Claude. As you can see, of course, this has been reduced to 1/72nd scale from 133. I've always packaged them in protective wrap, so when the time comes, we can easily work with it. So as you can see, you have the stabilizer. This is the base for the wing center point. Now, because of the size of the model, I was able to print it twice, so in case I make a mistake as usual, I can correct it. And as you can see, it's 160-gram sheet cardstock, and you can see how the coloring is done. Now, to enhance it, I use gloss varnish, and this will take care of it. And of course, you can see the cockpit layout inside. Now remember, the original scale is 133. So this will be far easier to do at that scale. And this is a spine that goes in. And of course, you see here the cowling, the engine exhaust, and the framework for the wing, the spine, fuselage, wheel, and the profile section where it is slot onto here, and then the wing itself and the fuel tank. And like I said, I had done several prints on a single sheet in case of mistake. Alright, so that's what it looks like. And then here we have blank, which is what I use to double. It's the same 160-gram sheet. I use it to double so that it will be fine. And here is the instructions. As you can see, the Claude, it shows you, of course, each individual layout. Marek really is good at, when he designs these kits, he shows the basic layout, basic plan. You see the underside is split along the center, so you have the underside with the wheel showing, and then the top view with the cockpit area and the details of how each thing is fitted up. So that's just a quick rundown of the Claude, and I really like this model. I had fun assembling it. It's something that I'm going to look towards in the future, and I'm sure it will be great. So until then, my friends, take care, walk good, enjoy the season holiday, and above all, one love.